Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how we can connect our existing domain with GoogieHost free hosting. First, go to the official GoogieHost website. On the homepage, click on Create Free Account. During sign-up, you will see the option, I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Click on this option. Enter your already registered domain name, example, yourdomain.com. Click on Next. The domain must be already registered. After that, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your registered email inbox. There you will find the subject, hosting account activated and ready to use. If you don't find it in your inbox, also check the spam/junk folder. Open the email, scroll down a little. In the lower section of the email, you will see the name servers. Usually, the format looks like this. These are the GoogieHost name servers. Copy both name servers. You will need to update them in your domain provider panel. Carefully fill in all the required registration details, such as full name, email address, password, other requested information. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions of the service. In this section, make sure you enter genuine and accurate information. This helps our team verify your details and register you as a legitimate customer. Please avoid using fake or misleading data. If the GoogieHost team finds anything suspicious or inconsistent, your request for a free subdomain may get rejected. And now click on the Complete Order option. Review all the entered details and complete the registration process by submitting the form. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. Subscribe to our channel, comment for any query, and see you in the next one.